How to leave a review on VR games Quest 2 and Quest 3S. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can leave a review on any types of games that you're playing on VR game Quest 2 or Quest 3S. So first is pull up your preferred web browser and then go into meta.com's official site. And then once you're here, make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, you're just gonna have to search for the specific game. So say for example, we will be looking for Gorilla Tag. Now for you to be able to leave a review on the game that you want is make sure that you own the game. You simply access the game name like so, and from here you can scroll down and then you should be able to leave reviews, ratings, and so on and so forth right here. But that option is not available because I do not own the game or I haven't purchased the game yet. But if you do, you can definitely write a comment here on the ratings as well. And that is how you leave a review on VR games Quest 2 and Quest 3S.